the Nation this morning, and it's a rather interesting report here. An affidavit by former Chief Justice Willy Mutunga lays bare intrigues dogging the top court, and that is the Supreme Court. So the document shows how two judges went on strike during his tenure, and that is Justices Njoki Ndungu and Justice Ojwang. They did go on strike earlier on, and I remember that this became quite a big deal in the judiciary, with many saying that it was an illegal strike. But it's an interesting report here on some of the intrigues that happen within the Supreme Court, and this again casts quite a bit of doubt into several Supreme Court judges. But still on the same page here, we have an opinion piece by Karanja Kabage, who says dissenting judges' rulings on NASA election petition deserve attention. Again, just about 5 days till we hear the full verdict of the Supreme Court on their decisions. 4 judges will be giving a full verdict as to why they were in favor of nullifying the August 8th presidential election, and that has received quite a lot of attention. But 2 other judges who had a dissenting opinion, according to Karanja Kabage, also deserve attention with regard to what they detail in their full verdicts. Again, something we will be keeping an eye on here on KTN News as that unfolds. So do grab a copy of these papers, the Sunday and the Standard, for those and more stories. But it is now 15 minutes to the top of